When you buy a camera lens from AliExpress. Hey, where's the rest of it? Where's the lens? It's like an empty Pringles can that looks like a lens. Hello, where is the rest? I definitely can't put my Pringles in this though. I think you got scammed, buddy. You put the cat in the fridge. The cat is in the fridge. Did you not see the cat go into the fridge? Oh, she's probably wondering like, where'd you go? Animals be doing that. Like sometimes I'll open my door when I'm cooking something stinky to like air out the room. And then my dogs will just like go outside. And I'm like, where's Ash? She's across the street at the neighbor's front door, pissing on their lawn.